Hello children, hope you all are fine and all are doing the given worksheets on time. Now today we are going to do addition and subtraction of fraction. Now for addition of fractions we have two rules. Rule number 1 is for addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. Now to add like fractions, the numerators are added and the denominators remains same. The numerators are added and the denominators remain same. Now for example, 2 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. These are like fractions because the denominators are same. Now for addition of like fraction, the denominator remains same, that is 9, and numerators are added. Now 2 plus 5, 7 upon 9. This is our answer. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is for addition of unlike fractions. Now for addition of unlike fractions, first we have to change them in like fraction and then add them up. Now for example, 3 upon 10 plus 8 upon 15. These are unlike fractions because denominators are different. Now first we will change them in like fractions by taking the LCM. Now what will be the LCM of 10 and 15? Now you can take the LCM by prime factorization method also or verbal also, as I explained in module 2. Now I am taking the LCM verbally. Now in 10 and 15, 15 is the greater one. I will speak out the table of 15 and just check it. It is divisible by 10 or not. 15 ones are 15. That is not divisible by 10. 15 twos are 30. That is divisible by 10 and 15 also. So 30 will be our LCM. Now, the LCM will be divided by the denominator and the answer will be multiplied by the numerator. The same process as I explained in ascending order and descending order. 10 threes are 30 and 3 threes are 9. Plus 15 twos are 30 and 2 into 8, 2 8s are 16. Now 9 plus 16, 25 upon 30. Now this will be cancelled by table of 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 30. So our answer will be 5 upon 6. This is our answer. Now for the subtraction. Now for subtraction of the fraction, again we have two rules. One for like fraction and one for unlike fraction, same as the addition. For the like fraction, what you will do, the denominator remains same and the numerators are subtracted. And for the unlike fractions, just change them into the like fraction by taking the LCM and then subtract the numerators. Now we are doing some sums of subtraction. Subtraction of fraction. Okay, now example number 3. 7 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9. These are like fractions. Same as addition. The denominator remains same, that is 9, and the numerators are subtracted. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 9. This is our answer. Simple. Now example number 4. Example number 4. 13 upon 16 minus 7 upon 12. Now these are unlike fractions. So we will take LCM of these numbers. The LCM of 16 and 12. I am taking verbally. 16 ones are 16. That is not divisible by 12. 16 twos are 32. again not divisible by 12. 16 3s are 48. So 48 will be the LCM, that is divisible by 12, and this is divisible by 16 also. So now the LCM divided by denominator and the answer will be multiplied by numerator. The same process you will follow. 16 3s are 48 and 3 multiplied by 13. 13 3s are 39 minus 12 4s are 48. Now 4 will be multiplied by 7. 4 7s are 28. Now 39 minus 28. 9 minus 8 1. 3 minus 2 1. 11 upon 48. This will be our answer. Now again I am taking one example of subtraction. Example number 5. 7 minus 4 2 upon 3. Here we have one whole number, that is 7, and one mixed fraction, that is 4 2 upon 3. Now to this whole number we can write 7 upon 1. We can write 1 in the denominator and minus this we will convert in improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 2 14 upon 3. Now again these are unlike fractions. Take the LCM. LCM will be 3. Now 1 3s are 3 and 3 will be multiplied by 7. 3 7s are 21 minus 3 1s are 3 and 1 will be multiplied by 14. 14 1s are 14. Now 21 minus 14 is 7 upon 3. Now this is an improper fraction. We can convert this in mixed fraction. Okay, now 7 upon 3. 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1. Now make the reverse V from right side to left side. Now 2 will be at the place of whole number. Then 1 will be at the place of numerator and this 3 will be at the place of denominator. This I have already explained in previous module. This will be our answer. 2 1 upon 3. Okay, now the next example. Example number 6. 3 3 upon 10 minus 1 7 upon 15. Now here we have the mixed fractions. So we will convert first in improper fraction and then take the LCM. 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 3, 33 upon 10 minus 15 1s are 15. 15 plus 7, 22 upon 15. Now then take the LCM. 15 1s are 15, not divisible by 10. 15 2s are 30, divisible by 10 also and by 15 also. The LCM will be 30. 10 3s are 30 and 3 will be multiplied by 33. 33 into 3 will be 99 minus 15 2s are 30 and 2 will be multiplied by 22. 22 into 2 is 44. Now 99 minus 44, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5 upon 30. So we will cancel it by table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. 11 upon 6. Now 11 upon 6 is an improper fraction. We can convert this in mixed fraction. So we are converting. Now try to convert this verbally. How to convert it verbally? Speak out table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. That is greater than 11. So we will take 6 ones are 6. Then 11 minus 6, 5. So 5 will be at the place of numerator and at the place of denominator, the same denominator 6 will be here. The answer will be 1 5 by 6. This is our answer. Now Next example, in your exercise, one question is there, simplification. Simplify. The example number 7, we are doing simplify. 8 5 upon 6 minus 3 3 upon 8 plus 1 7 upon 12. Now this is our question. We have to simplify it. So what you will do in this, we have 3 numbers here. All are in mixed. First we will convert it in improper fraction and then we will write the positive numbers together and negative numbers separately. The positive numbers are 8 5 by 6 and 1 7 by 12. But afterward we will arrange it. So first we will convert this. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5. 53 upon 6 minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27 and 27 upon 8 plus 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 7 is 19 upon 12. Now these are unlike fractions. So we will take the LCM. I am taking verbally. You can take it by prime factorization method also. Now which one is greater one? In 6, 8 and 12. 12 is greater one. Speak out table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 is divisible by 6. But 12 is not divisible by 8. Because it is not coming in table of 8. Now the next 12 twos are 24. 24. Yes, it is divisible by 6 and it is divisible by 8 also, and of course it is divisible by 12. So 24 will be the LCM. Now again the same process. 6 4s are and 4 will be multiplied by 53. 53 multiplied by 4. I am writing this in bracket. Minus 8 3s are 24 and 3 will be multiplied by 27. 3 into 27, or you can write 27 into 3. Then plus 12 2s are 24. 2 will be multiplied by 19. So 19 into 2. Now 53 into 4. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 4 5s are 20 and 1 21. Minus 7 3s are 21. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6 and 2 8. 81. Plus 19 2s are 38 upon 24. Now what you will do after this? 212 is positive number and 38 is positive number. So you will write these positive numbers together. 212 plus 38 and minus 81 upon 24. You will write the positive numbers together and negative number separately. Now add them up. I am rubbing from here. Now 212 plus 38. 8 and 2, 10. Carry 1. 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 2. 250 minus 81 upon 24. Now 250 minus 81. 10 minus 1, 9. 4, 14 minus 8, 6 and 1. 169 upon 24. Now 169 upon 24, it is an improper fraction because here we have the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. Now we can convert this in mixed fraction. 169 divided by 24. Now it will be 24 sevens are 168. Subtract it. 1 will be the remainder. Again make wheel from right side to left side. Now what will be the answer? 7 1 upon 24. 7 whole 1 upon 24. This will be our answer. So this is the type of simplification. Okay, now I have given some sums in the worksheets. Try to solve it. You will not find any problem. If you will find any problem, just go through again the examples. I have written the examples in the worksheet also, and just again watch the video. Thank you. Okay, bye children.